This video will cover two methods of refresh proxy. First method is described below. Go to the 7-Eleven proxy dashboard. Select the rotating residential plan that you purchased. Set up the other options. To enable the refresh proxy feature, make sure the session type is set to sticky IP. Click Generate. Copy a proxy message and paste it into the anti-detection browser. On the refresh proxy line, fill in the corresponding refresh link and make sure it matches the session value in the copied proxy information. Check proxy, and click Confirm after successful detection. Open the browser window. The current IP address is shown here. Click Refresh Proxy. The address will change in 30 seconds. Hit Recheck Connection. The IP has changed and the proxy has been successfully refreshed. This is the first method of refreshing the proxy. Here is the second method. You can choose not to fill in the refresh proxy. Open browser. This is the current IP. Switch to your local browser, copy the refresh proxy link and open it. The address will change in 30 seconds. Return to the anti-detection browser and refresh the IP information. The IP address has been changed successfully. The two methods have been introduced. Try it out. Thanks for watching.